Good evening. Uh, Welcome back to Trading Blunders. Today, gonna share a pretty big blunder, actually. Probably one of my biggest yet. And while I would not want to be here on a Valentine's evening, but I figured, while it's hot, let me share it. Hopefully someone will learn from my ill experience. If you guys are following, from last week's video, I talked about, focusing more on the market and trading with the market. And Friday was a very active day. Friday, if you guys remember, this move right here. This was a big one. So I've been trading with leveraged ETFs. These are ETFs like TQQQ, which moves with the Nasdaq SPY. However, it's a lot more aggressive. It moves 3 times, basically more. So the idea is to take more advantage of the gains. However, on the flip side, the pains definitely hurt a lot more. So this was the move on Friday that we took advantage of. Worked out well. Today I figured, what, the market is going to be a bit unpredictable and need to get ready. I thought everything kind of started out well. So this is a pre-market. Market opened up a bit weak. Went to the downside. It had a trade down here. Worked out well. And then really stayed sloppy, choppy in here. It made this big move and then I got in. And then again, it wasn't doing well. I actually lost some money in this choppiness here. Because I kept hitting my stop losses every time. And then just basically losing money. And then I figured, what? It's been trying to push up. It's trying to push up. It's probably going to push up. I have to admit, did not read the chart in the best of manners now that I look at it. So right here, I figured it was going to take the move up. So I was trading on the 5-minute chart. And then I looked at the 15-minute and I saw it slowly going up. So I bought into TQQQ, which is a bull ETF. So the expectation is going to go up. And because I got stopped out so many times and I'm still working on my stop loss with the ETFs, I did not put a stop loss and I walked away. And of course, as soon as I walked away, just to do something, I get this big dive right here. And that was a really interesting one. I think all in all, one of my biggest losses so far, this right here. Now, because of how painful it was, I figured, listen, I have to just kind of stop and see. But, again, probably one of the few times I did not put a stop loss. And what made me pay the price. I did get back in somewhere around here once I saw it was starting to go back up. We'll see over the next couple of days what happens. But definitely this one was painful. This one was really painful. I think one of my takeaways is, while I figured, something like this was going to happen, trading in this choppiness and this fake out, candle right here, really kind of got me enthusiastic about a push-up, but that did not happen. So, another scenario where rather than waiting for the trend to establish and then trading with the trend, trying to anticipate before, definitely hurt at the end. So, two main takeaways: make sure the trend establishes. Better to lose a little bit on the way in than basically get caught with a reversal, which is what happened here. And then the other piece, avoid trading when there's just consolidation and noise. Like I said, lost a lot with just getting stopped out and not getting anywhere. Anyways, hope this video helps, and definitely hope you guys enjoy the rest of the evening.